Good afternoon, students. This is video 2.3 and logic lines. Again, we're working on the same objective, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. It is because the substitute left notes for me today, and it said that there was an indication that we need to work on completing two-column proofs. So I want to make sure that we know how to do this. Please make sure that you complete the IXL from last week. Many of you have still not done that. And again, remember, the ones that were due Friday will become permanent zeros as of this Friday. And some of you need to stop working behind so you can catch up. All right. Remember, the IXL skill for tonight is still C6, so please work on that. All right, let's go, flippers. We're working only on examples today. Okay, so the first example we're going to look at is given x minus 13 equals 9, prove that x equals 22. I'm going to start off with our s and r's. And remember, the first s is always going to be the given. So that will be x minus 13 equals 9. And the reason for this is that it's given. So now, again, I'm trying to get to the end, which says x equals 22. Well, clearly, if we solve this and we add 13 to both sides, we're going to end up with x equals 22. And that's our final thing we actually wanted to prove. There it is. And the reason here is because we actually added 13 to both sides. You don't see it, but that's how this was achieved. And the reason then is going to be APO, addition property of equality. Pretty easy two-column proof. Number 2. Given 3x plus 2 equals 17, prove x equals 15. We can do that. We start off by putting in our first S statement, which is 3x plus 2 equals 17. And the reason is, again, the given. Okay, so step 2 is, well, the first thing you want to do here is subtract 2 from both sides, which would actually give us 3x equals 15. And we did that by saying subtraction. So that's actually subtraction property of equality, SPO. So now the next step, again, because we want to try and get to this, x equals 5. Well, it so happens that our next step will get us there. X equals 5. But what do you have to do to make x equal 5? Well, you have to actually divide both sides by 5. And that's what we did here and here. And when you use division, you are actually using the division property of equality. And we're done again with our second proof. So again, these proofs, you just have to get used to them, setting them up, making sure you've got statements and reasons, making sure you number things the same, providing a statement, providing a reason. You will get better at this. Keep practicing. Here is a secret hot question, and it says, what two parts does every two-column proof have? What two parts? Okay? So remember to work on C6, and I will see you tomorrow.